Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox a low budget microphone from Trust GXT to 210 Scorp USB microphone. First we're gonna take a look at the box. The box is about the size 30 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide, around 5 centimeters high. As the weight is concerned, it's pretty light, it's not heavy. We are going to cut these tapes and try to open it. These microphones are for gaming mostly, and they are cheap. They are 22 euros, or that's $26. As you open the box, you will see a plastic wrap which looks pretty cheap and thin. As you open the box, you can see the microphone. It's all black plastic. It's really light. It's not heavy, and it's on elastic tube-like springs. When you turn around, you have a switch below, which you can turn on and off, and you can adjust the levels, the height of the microphone. It got a few notches of levels. You can pull up and down real easy, and as I said, it's elastic on the spring, stands on the springs, and you got a mute button for the microphone. Now we're gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna switch the new microphone to see how it works. And now we turn on the Trust microphone GXT 210, and the first that I can notice that it's much quieter than I have to speak much louder than on my previous microphone. The previous microphone was a Logitech WebCam C170, and I am not sure about this. I need a few days to test it out and to see the end results, to see what it be like in the future projects like gaming, streaming. But on the first impression, I don't like that it's around 15 centimeters away from where I'm talking now, and now I'm a bit closer. But it will be a bit disappointing if I need to hold it like 5 centimeters away constantly, or I will have to boost my microphone settings on 100%, and I'm not sure. We will see in the future. So either way, I hope you liked this video, and we'll keep in touch. Subscribe and follow my new videos. Thank you for watching.